So, I mentioned how the ducks are gone a little nuts. It's ridiculous. I got some extra roosters that are being bullies, so I got 2 of them at night. They sleep in here just to stay safe from the fox and stuff. Oh my goodness, you guys. What kind of a friggin' mess did you guys get yourself into here? Ridiculous. Bad ducks. And what about you guys? How did you even get in there? I locked up the roosters in there. They're still in. Yeah, the roosters are still in there, terrified of the ducks, because they don't know how to get out, but yet the ducks got in here somehow. No idea how. No, don't you go in there too. This is ridiculous. Are you afraid of the duckies? Hi, duckies. No, don't jump through. Don't jump through. Just come around. Just come around. Just come around. Come around. No, I'm not gonna attack you. Calm down. Oh my God. Chaos. Girls gone wild. The boys are like, and I thought we were the troublemakers. Like, we're the ones getting locked up. Oh my goodness. Honestly. You're gone wild.